Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. The Zimbabwean musician Jah Prayzer is today celebrating his wife's birthday. He celebrated his wife's birthday in a heartfelt fashion. His wife Rufara Mukombe looked radiant and elegant during the occasion. Their union has long inspired young artists and couples across Zimbabwe. Many see them as an example of commitment and mutual respect. To celebrate the birthday, Jah Prayzer shared a bold and emotional message online. He wrote, "Happy birthday, Mai Mukombe, ndokuda zvekuti ukafa ndini ndinovigwa." The message translated to a powerful and poetic declaration of devotion. It revealed a deep affection and an unbreakable bond between them. Jah Prayzer's words expressed timeless loyalty and romantic sincerity. For more stories, please do like and subscribe to Zimstake Media.